How to use Facebook Messenger without Messenger app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can use the Facebook Messenger without installing the Messenger application. If you don't want to download the Messenger app to chat, you can uninstall it. Then open the Facebook or Facebook Lite application. So if you go ahead and launch the Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and tap on the Messenger icon in the top, you will see the list of messages in your conversation page. Now you can go ahead and tap on the call to go ahead and talk to that person on Messenger. But if you go ahead and launch the original and official Facebook application and tap on the Messenger icon in the top right corner of the screen, it will ask you to install the Messenger application, or it will just simply go ahead and automatically open the Messenger application on your mobile device if it is installed. So the better option is to install the Facebook Lite application and start chatting, and then go to the Messages tab and start chatting with the person that you want. So that's it for this video. This is how you can use the Facebook Messenger without the app. So if this was helpful, please like and share and subscribe. And leave any questions in the comments if you have any confusions. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thanks for watching.